welcome back to the channel. My name is Ryan. This is Auto Detour, and I'm really excited to make this video. And it's also one you guys have been asking for quite a bit. We finally have the time to take Gramps to the Dragstrip. So we just finished up a fresh transmission fluid change, got rid of the shuttering in the stock torque converter. If you are new to the channel, behind me here is my 2003 Ford F-150 Super Crew. It is four-wheel drive. It has the stock 5.4, the stock 4R70W transmission in it. Has a little something special under the hood though. It's got a 76mm turbo, and last night we just turned it up to 14. So, and that's 14 PSI. Currently this build's been running for just about 2 years now. We started around 9 PSI when we tuned it at the dyno, and now we've just bumped it up to 14. And tomorrow we're gonna meet up with Eric from Racing Ram Fam. Be sure to go follow his channel as well. I will put it on the screen here. Anyway, but first we're gonna do a little bit of weight reduction before we head out. So let's get into that, and then we'll head to the track first thing in the morning. All right, so now we officially have a race truck. I pulled out the back seats. They're sitting on the floor here. That should be a significant amount of weight savings. We'll be ditching the spare tire and the tailgate. There it goes, boys. She blew. No, the engine is toast. Gramps spilled his guts. You don't normally have 4x4 tow hooks on the drag cars out here? No. Well guys, that's it. Stock Triton, 14 pounds of boost, that's it. My muffler oil seems to be leaking. Thank you. Sorry for the mess. So never good to pick up your ticket in the tow truck.
Nope. Been there.
Let's see what we ran. Let's see, I was in the left. Ran a 13.5 at 104. We beat the truck next to me by almost a second. Man, what a mess. The turbo just threw oil through the whole exhaust. What a mess. We got oil outside. Wonder if we got a hole in the block maybe. Whew, Gramps, you did us proud. Well, thank you.
Wish I could help you more.
Getting it off the track is good. All right, there he sits. Still looks pretty on top. Not so pretty underneath. But dang, 13.5 at 104. Fastest Gramps has gone yet. Oh, shoot. Well, at least it was the last event of the season. Now we'll have plenty of time to get that new block that's sitting in the garage, put in Gramps. Anyway, we're gonna see if we can squeeze Gramps into Eric's race trailer and see if we can get it hauled home. All right, well we got the torsion keys turned all the way down. Let's see if we can squeeze it into Eric's race trailer here. If this works, I mean, huge thanks to Eric. Sheesh. Anyway, poor Gramps. There we go. He's in. If it fits, it ships, right? About an inch of clearance up there.
The struggles are real, but they're close to. Wouldn't it be nice with a door right there?
Oh, sweet.
Yeah. Horn works. You ready to drive your brand new truck?
Your brand new truck. Okay. I'm in.
Ready?
Yeah.
Ooh. Oh, or whatever. Oh, here you go. Goodbye.
You good?
Yeah, you got it. Your truck's a lot skinnier than Whitey. All right, let her go. Let her buck.
Quiet.
Dude, I've never heard Gramps so quiet before.
Okay.
Are we gonna go for the icky start?
Yeah.
All right, let's hear it.
Poor guy.
I think you broke a connecting rod, or you broke a piston. Definitely a connecting rod or a piston. The way it's smoking and the way it sounded. But yeah. Oh wow, yeah, that's nice for your driveway.
Well, good first and last day at the drag strip for this year.
Yes. Yeah, it was kind of a bummer.
Yeah.
I didn't go. I went a solid 56 miles per hour, and then you ran pretty fast. 13.5 at 104. I was impressed.
Yeah.
I was saying 14.1, but no, 13.5. I mean, besides the matter of this, but you know, it was fast.
He was going like stink.
Yeah, but it went out with a good bang, you know?
Yeah.
It's not like, at least you didn't get halfway down the track and then you don't have a track time. Like, you have a time and a time slip.
Yeah.
Now you know what.
Just gave it everything he had up until the end.
Yeah, now you know what to beat, right? 13.5 at 104 and drive it home next time.
Yes.
I don't know, Ryan might trailer next time.
Thank you for the trailer, by the way.
Oh, yeah. Toter worked good. Ford's got a whole other Fords, right?
I know. That wasn't the Ford I was expecting to drive home.
No, you did drive a Ford home. I got to drive my race truck all the way home.
Well, guys, that's going to do it for Gramps' stock block and this video. So be sure to share it with your friends. Hit that like button. Subscribe if you haven't already. Subscribe to Racing Ram Fam as well.
So make sure to hit the link down below and buy some merch because this is not going to be a cheap fix.
This is not going to be cheap. That is correct.
100%. And make sure to watch all those ads. No.
That's right. So pick up your hat. And like I mentioned in my last video, if you guess the time right, you'll be winning a hat. So thank you guys for watching. Have a great night. I'll talk to you next time.
When Gramps is all back together and running.
Right. Next week.